What if becoming wealthy had nothing to do with winning the lottery, finding the perfect investment, or working 80-hour weeks? What if the biggest difference between people who constantly struggle with money and people who quietly build wealth came down to a few simple habits repeated every single day? Japan is home to millions of ordinary people who don't live flashy lifestyles. Many don't drive luxury cars. They don't constantly show off expensive purchases online. Yet over decades, many build financial security through patience, discipline, and intentional living. Their secret isn't luck. It isn't stress. And it certainly isn't trying to get rich overnight. Instead, it's a collection of habits that make saving money feel natural, spending feel purposeful, and financial peace become a normal part of life. Today, we're exploring 11 Japanese habits that quietly build wealth without luck or unnecessary stress. Some of these habits are centuries old. Others have become even more relevant in today's world of endless advertising, impulse shopping, and social media pressure. By the end of this video, you may discover that building wealth isn't about earning more. It's about living differently. Let's begin. When people think of Japan, they often imagine advanced technology, bullet trains, spotless streets, and incredible efficiency. But beneath all of that lies something even more impressive. A culture that values discipline over excitement, consistency over intensity, long-term thinking over quick rewards. These values don't just create clean cities and organized homes. They also influence how many Japanese people approach money. While not everyone in Japan is wealthy, many families practice habits that help them avoid unnecessary debt, reduce financial stress, and slowly build stability over time. The beauty of these habits is that almost anyone can apply them. You don't need a six-figure salary. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars. You don't even need perfect financial knowledge. You simply need the willingness to change how you think about money. Let's look at the first habit. Habit 1. They practice kakebo instead of random budgeting. Long before budgeting apps existed, Japanese households used something called kakebo. The word simply means household financial ledger. But it's much more than writing down expenses. It's a system that encourages mindful spending. Before buying something, people ask themselves questions like, do I really need this? Can I afford it? Will it improve my life? Could I wait before buying it? These questions create a pause between desire and purchase. That pause saves more money than most people realize. Instead of chasing every sale, they become intentional. Instead of wondering where their salary disappeared, they know exactly where every yen went. Over months and years, those small decisions create significant savings. Wealth often begins with awareness, and kakebo builds exactly that. Habit 2. They respect small amounts of money. Many people ignore small expenses. It's only a coffee. It's only one online order. It's just a subscription. But Japanese culture often teaches respect for even the smallest amounts. Small coins aren't treated as meaningless. Tiny savings aren't dismissed, because enough small amounts eventually become large ones. Imagine saving just a little every day. Not because you're forced to, but because wasting money simply doesn't feel right. The goal isn't being cheap. It's recognizing that money represents time, effort, and energy. When you respect small amounts, larger savings naturally follow. Habit 3. They repair before replacing. Modern consumer culture encourages constant replacement. New phone, new furniture, new clothes, new appliances. Japan often follows a different philosophy. If something still works, why replace it? Many households repair broken items whenever possible. Shoes are repaired. Furniture is restored. Kitchen tools are maintained for decades. This mindset doesn't only save money, it also reduces unnecessary consumption. Every item that lasts longer delays another expensive purchase. Imagine applying this habit for 20 years. Thousands of dollars stay in your pocket simply because you cared for what you already owned. Habit 4. They don't buy to impress other people. One of the fastest ways to stay broke is trying to look rich. Luxury brands, expensive cars, designer lifestyles. Many purchases today are driven more fleshed by appearance than actual need. Japanese culture generally places less emphasis on public displays of wealth. Of course, luxury exists. But many financially comfortable people dress simply, live modestly, and avoid unnecessary attention. Their confidence comes from security rather than status. Quiet wealth doesn't need applause. It doesn't need social media validation. The less you spend trying to impress strangers, the more money stays invested in your future. Habit 5. They think long-term. Many financial mistakes happen because people focus only on today. I deserve this. I'll worry about it later. I'll save next month. Japanese thinking often encourages looking much further ahead. Instead of asking, will this make me happy today? They often consider how today's decisions will affect tomorrow. Before making a purchase, they might ask themselves, will this still be useful a year from now? 5 years from now? Was this something I truly needed? Or was it just an impulse? That simple pause can prevent countless unnecessary purchases. This long-term mindset also changes the way people save. Rather than waiting until they earn more money or find the perfect investment, they begin with small, consistent steps. Even modest savings grow over time because they understand that wealth isn't built overnight. The future is always shaped by today's choices. When you start thinking beyond the next payday, it's much easier to make decisions that your future self will thank you for. Habit 6. They avoid waste in every area of life. Japan has a concept called matenai. It's a word that expresses regret over waste and encourages people to appreciate what they already have. That mindset applies to almost everything. Food shouldn't be wasted. Clothes should be cared for. Furniture should be maintained instead of replaced. Money shouldn't disappear on things that don't add real value. Instead of constantly buying new items, many people focus on making the most of what they already own. They finish the food they buy, repair broken items when possible, and avoid unnecessary spending simply because something newer has appeared. These may seem like small habits, but over the years they add up to significant savings. Building wealth isn't always about earning more. Sometimes it's about stopping the small leaks that quietly drain your finances every day. Habit 7. They value consistency more than motivation. Many people wait until they feel motivated before taking control of their finances. They'll start saving next month. They'll begin investing next year. They'll create a budget when life becomes less busy. The problem is that motivation comes and goes. Japanese culture often places greater value on routine than temporary feelings. Instead of relying on motivation, they build habits that become part of everyday life. Saving a small amount every month is often more effective than saving a large amount once and then stopping. Cooking at home regularly usually saves more money than making unrealistic promises to never eat out again. Wealth isn't built by one big financial decision. It's built by hundreds of small decisions repeated over and over again. Consistency may not seem exciting, but it's one of the most powerful tools for building financial security. Habit 8. They live comfortably below their means. One of the quietest signs of wealth isn't what someone owns. It's what they don't feel pressured to buy. Many Japanese households choose stability over showing off. Even as their income grows, they don't immediately upgrade everything around them. They continue living comfortably, instead of trying to match every increase in income with more spending. That difference between what they earn and what they spend becomes savings. Those savings can later become investments, emergency funds, or opportunities that provide even greater financial freedom. Living below your means doesn't mean denying yourself everything you enjoy. It simply means making sure your spending doesn't grow faster than your income. The less pressure you feel to constantly upgrade your lifestyle, the easier it becomes to build lasting wealth. Habit 9. They build skills that save money. Instead of paying someone to handle every small task, many Japanese people learn practical skills that save money over time. They cook meals at home instead of eating out every day. They learn basic sewing to repair clothes. They maintain bicycles, care for household items, and organize their homes efficiently. Each skill may seem small on its own, but together they reduce everyday expenses and make people more self-reliant. The beauty of practical skills is that you learn them once, but they continue saving you money for years. Rather than always looking for bigger discounts or higher income, they invest in becoming more capable. Sometimes, the best financial investment isn't something you buy. It's something you learn. Habit 10. They find joy in simplicity. Consumer culture constantly tells us we need more. More clothes, more gadgets, more decorations, more upgrades. Japanese aesthetics often celebrate simplicity. A peaceful home, a small collection of quality possessions, a calm environment. Instead of endlessly chasing happiness through shopping, satisfaction comes from appreciating what's already enough. When enough truly feels enough, spending naturally decreases. Contentment becomes one of the most powerful wealth-building habits. Habit 11. They understand that wealth is built quietly. Perhaps the greatest financial lesson Japan offers is this. Real wealth is usually invisible. It's the emergency fund nobody sees. The investments nobody talks about. The debt that's already paid off. The financial peace that doesn't need to be posted online. Modern culture celebrates overnight success, but most lasting wealth grows slowly, quietly, patiently, month after month, year after year. There may be no dramatic moment, no viral breakthrough, no lucky windfall, just ordinary choices repeated consistently until extraordinary results appear. Notice something interesting about all 11 habits? None require being born rich. None require perfect timing. None depend on luck. Instead, they all focus on changing behavior. Building wealth isn't always about earning dramatically more. Sometimes it's about leaking dramatically less. It's about respecting money before having lots of it. Because people who manage small amounts wisely are usually better prepared when larger amounts arrive. Financial freedom isn't built through one giant decision. It's built through thousands of tiny ones. Every meal cooked at home, every unnecessary purchase skipped, every savings contribution made, every item repaired instead of replaced, every budget reviewed, every patient choice compounds, and over time, those ordinary habits create an extraordinary life. If you enjoyed discovering these Japanese wealth habits, you'll probably also love exploring other aspects of Japanese culture that make everyday life calmer, simpler, and more intentional. Which of these habits surprised you the most? And which one are you going to start practicing today? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into Japanese wisdom, mindful living, and practical habits that can improve everyday life. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care, stay intentional, and remember that true wealth isn't built through luck. It's built quietly, one habit at a time.